In this video, we're going to do a deep dive into the problem space. We'll answer these two important questions. First, what do you need to know about your problem? And second, what is the context of your problem? By context, we mean the plethora of information relevant to your problem. We are going to present and explain the complete problem space, including the relevant background, exploring existing solutions, studying the impact of the problem, and the business perspective. When describing the basic background of your problem, you should include relevant terminology and definitions, domain basics, the history of your problem, a breakdown of your problem, the physical principles governing the problem, and the user persona. Let's explain some of these in more detail. Domain basics includes the relevant definitions, terminology, and diagrams to convey that you are now a domain expert. The physical principles governing the problem include such things as known relationships, engineering fundamentals, equations, laws of physics, and graphs. For the water bottle problem, this might be the density of water, sealing technologies, materials and compatibility, or heat transfer fundamentals. It is often helpful to create a user persona. A user persona is a description of a typical user of your product. You would want to define who is the user, what's their age, gender, occupation, but most importantly, what are their needs. Next, you'll conduct an exploration of solutions. First, are there existing solutions or historical solutions to your problem? Are there similar problems with the same solution, or similar solutions to the same problem? Are there different solutions to similar problems or analogous solutions to your problem? In your exploration of existing solutions, you might identify a lack of a solution to your problem or limitations with existing solutions. Why isn't there a solution already? Are there any voids or gaps with existing products that don't quite meet your problem's needs? Are there problems with existing solutions? Why is a custom solution necessary versus using something off the shelf? It is important to consider what governs your design problem. For example, are there any standards or regulations that need to be applied? Finally, you should consider the business perspective for your design problem. What business model are you going to use? What's the cost of your final product? What are the manufacturing considerations? Sales strategies? And finally, you should research patents on relevant products. In summary, the design context review helps to define the problem, including the domain knowledge, alternatives, impact, and regulations.